In today's video, we'll take a look at gold XAUUSD, and I'll show you exactly how I'm trading the range that we're currently in, and also share the latest on the US dollar index. Okay, so kicking things off here with XAUUSD, this is the daily time frame. And if you guys saw the last video, you can go back here on YouTube and look, but I was talking about gold up here when it was trading right around 1940. And I talked about this confluence of resistance up here based on the top of this channel and also this trend line from late 2022. All right, so this right here, up in this 1940 area, was a perfect area to look for shorts. And in fact, if you're in the VIP group that I run, you know that I was talking about gold back here when it was trading in this area, right? And I mentioned that we could get that breakdown from this trend line, and if so, my target would be down here at this low, which we got, and then also this area up around 1940. In fact, the chart that I shared with members back here in early August was showing something like this, okay, from gold. And so far, that's exactly what we've gotten. Now, as far as where we go from here, okay, that's what everybody wants to know is, at the moment, I'm not interested in trading gold because I know that my edge is trading away from strong areas of resistance like this. Okay, same thing with support, but this up here was the area to look for shorts on gold. Right now, with the market trading right between these two levels, right within this range, this, in my opinion, is not the area where you want to trade gold. Okay, because there are just too many variables involved here. We could get the move up here back toward this area, these highs up here, maybe that resistance, or we could get the push down here toward these lows. All right, so there's really no edge here at the moment, in my opinion. Now, with that said, though, we have the market, continuing to make lower highs and lower lows, and we also know that it's within this range. So even though I don't want to trade gold here, if we were to get a sustained break below a level like this, okay, down here, right around 1890 or so, if we were to get that move lower down here, maybe a slight bounce from there, and then a breakdown from this, okay, a sustained break below here, if we were to get something like this, then I would entertain new shorts toward areas like 1810 to 1820. Okay, now on the other hand, if we were to get gold breaking out from the top of this channel up here, okay, right around 1925 at the moment, if we were to get something like this, a move up here, retest this level, break out, and then also clear 1940, okay, essentially get above this area right up here. If we were to see that, I'd be looking for fresh longs toward areas like 1980. Okay, really nice pivot right through here. Okay, so even though I don't like the idea of trading gold at current levels just because it is right there within the current range, I do think that we could have a nice opportunity coming up, either a break below 1890 or clear this area between 1920 and 1940. Okay, now let's take a look at the DXY here. And if you guys are enjoying this content, be sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon. And also, guys, don't forget to join our free Telegram group. I will put a link in the description and also up here in the video. So click on that link, join the free group for even more trade setups. Okay, so looking here at the DXY, guys, and this is going to matter for gold because the dollar and gold tend to have an inverse relationship. Okay, so I've talked about the DXY at length ever since the market was down here. And what I mentioned is back here, when we saw the reclaim down here at these previous year-to-date lows, okay, the reclaim through here was bullish, right? We then had the June low. We had the reclaim through here. That was also bullish for the DXY. Now, we also had the reclaim of the top of this level up here, okay, and also that trend line that goes back a couple years. So this right here was also bullish. Okay, now we have the DXY trading above these highs up here, right around 104.30. So once again, this is also bullish for the dollar. Now, this could change, okay, but at the moment, we do have an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. So this is not a case where you want to be getting bearish on the dollar. Now, if we were to see a sustained break below 104.30, then that would change things, okay? And again, this is going to matter for gold because they do share an inverse relationship. So if we were to see the DXY close back below here, okay, give us a sustained break back below 104.30, so a sustained break below here means this is the fake out, and we're looking at a rotation down here toward this trend line right around 103.50. And that could potentially be bullish for gold. Okay, now with that said, in that scenario, what I would be looking for is XAU USD breaking above this level up here and also 1940. Remember, this is going to be resistance for gold. All right, now on the flip side, if we see this rally from the dollar stay intact, okay, and the market finds support in this region here, okay, anywhere from really 104.30 all the way up here to these recent lows. In this area down here, if we see it continue to consolidate here and then move higher, take out these highs, move up there toward 105.60, then that is going to continue to weigh on gold. Okay, now of the two scenarios, I do prefer a bullish dollar here because we have an established uptrend. We have a big reclaim back here. So I do like the idea of looking for gold shorts, okay, on dollar strength. However, like I said, I do not want to trade the market right here because there are just too many variables on whether we could get something like this or the market could just come down here and test these levels. I don't want to trade in the middle like this because, again, I know my edge is trading away from confluences of support and resistance. All right, so for me, the ideal scenario here would be to see the DXY continue higher up here toward 105.60, eventually break out from there, and then also see gold break below these recent lows down here, a sustained break below this for that push lower. Okay, we'll see if we get it, but I do think that, at least for me, that is going to be the ideal scenario here for gold. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. If it did, be sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon. And don't forget to sign up to our free Telegram group for even more trade ideas. Trade well this week, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.